Next topic, ma. Geometrical meaning of the zero of the linear polynomial. So consider a linear polynomial. Consider a linear polynomial ax plus b. A is not equal to 0. We know that the graph of y is equal ax plus b is represent straight line. Very important, ma. So the linear equation is represent straight line. So y equal to ax plus b represents straight line which intersect the only x-axis, which intersects the x-axis, exactly 1 point. Exactly 1 point. So namely, very, very important. Namely, what is the point? Minus b by a comma 0. Okay, the point lie on only x-axis. That means ax plus b equal to 0. Y on the point ax equal to minus b, x equal to minus b by a. The point x comma y, the point lie on only x-axis minus b by a comma y-axis is 0. Okay. Also we know that the 0 of ax plus b is minus b by a. The 0 of given polynomial is minus b by a. Okay, na? Ax plus b intersect x-axis. Right on? Right on. Represent the linear polynomial two x plus 3 on the graph paper. And find the 0. So given linear polynomial 2x plus 3 is represent to straight line. First of all, let y is equal 2x plus 3. To draw its graph, we need 2 or more than 2 values of y corresponding to the different values of x. For this, consider the following table. First of all, chudama, observe. So this is the x value and y value. The point is formed. Okay, I have substitute x value minus 2 or 0, anyone, no problem. X value substitute negative value minus 2. So substitute y is equal 2 into minus 2 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3, that is the value minus 1. Minus 2 comma minus 1 is the point form. Next, substitute minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3. That is the value 1. Now substitute 0. Y is equal 2 into x. 2 into 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3. That is the value 3. Next substitute 1 ma. Y is equal 2 into 1 plus 3. 2 plus 3. That is the value 5. Okay. Next substitute 2. 2 into 2 plus 3. 2 2 ja 4 plus 3. That is the value 7. So this is form of the points are formed as a points. X comma y. 2 comma minus 1. Minus 1 comma 1. 0 comma 3. 1 comma 5. 2 comma 7. So draw the graph ma. 0 x axis x dash y y dash. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Negative minus 1 minus 2. Y axis values 1 positive 1 positive 2 positive 3 positive 4 5 6 7 8 and negatives minus 1 minus 2. The point is located, please observe ma. Minus minus 2 comma minus 1. Minus 2 comma, that means the point lie on third coordinate. Minus 2 comma minus 1. This is not minus 2 to minus 1. This is the point minus 2 comma minus 1. Minus 1 comma 1. Sorry. Minus 2 and minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 comma plus 1. This point. Okay. Minus 1 comma 1. 0 comma 3. The point lie on y axis. 0 comma 3. 1 comma 5. That's 2 comma 7. All points are joined, formed straight line. So all points are joined, form straight line. Please observe the straight line. Graph like clear ga vastundi. Okay. So this is called y is equal 2x plus 3 represents straight line. So -1 comma మీ గ్రాఫ్ లో క్లియర్ గా వస్తుందమ్మా. ఓకే, సో the zeros of 2x plus 3 is -3/2. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్ అయితే -3/2 వద్ద ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా అయితే మనం గ్రాఫ్ లో అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ టచ్ చేస్తూ వెళ్తుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇక్కడ టచ్ అవుతుంది. ఇలా వెళ్తుంది. ఇది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా అయితే ఇక్కడ టచ్ అవుతుంది. -3/2 అంటే -1.5. ఓకే, -1.5. ఓకే ఓకే, నాట్ -1.5 ఇక్కడ వెళ్ళాలి. సో ఇక్కడ -1 ఇక్కడ రాసుకోండి. మీరు ఇక్కడ రాసుకో -1. ఇది -3/2 -1.5 వద్దనే టచ్ కావాలి. ఓకే, ఇది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకేనా, -1, 1 అంటే ఇక్కడ టచ్ అవుతుంది. -1, 1. ఓకే, ఇది మా ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. నోట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ -3/2. ఈ పాయింట్ కూడా ఏమొస్తుందంటే -3/2, 0. ఓకే, సో 2x plus 3 equal to 0, 2x equal to -3, x equal to -3/2. So -3/2 is a solution. -3/2 వద్ద ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. x యాక్సిస్ మీద చేస్తేనే తీసుకోవాలి ఆన్సర్, y యాక్సిస్ కాదు. ఓన్లీ x యాక్సిస్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్. ఆన్సర్ ఎలా అంటే ఇలా ప్రూఫ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. వెరిఫికేషన్. Case 1, please observe. Please observe the graph. This is represent quartic polynomial. A dash is the different values. 2 points. If the graph intersect the x-axis, if the graph intersect the x-axis at 2 points A and A dash, then the x-coordinate of A and A dash are the 2 zeros of the quartic polynomial of ax² plus bx plus c. So x-axis intersect the at 2 points. X-axis intersects at 2 points A and A dash. Therefore, number of zeros in a polynomial, number of zeros in a polynomial 2. So another graph. Only you have observed only x-axis. X-axis, x dash, y and y dash. X-axis intersect at 2 points. You have observed only x-axis. So number of 0 also 2 ma. Okay. Write down. This is the x-axis, x dash, y, y dash. So please observe this diagram. How many number of zeros? It is a quartic polynomial. If the graph intersect the x-axis or touches the x-axis at exactly 1 point, but you have considered, then 2 points are here. That means a and a dash values are same. Okay, that means the zeros are real and equal. So the solution, for example, x-axis intersect the 3. That means the answer is 3 and 3 are zeros of polynomial. Okay, the roots are real and equal. రూట్స్ అంటాం ఆర్ జీరోస్ అని కూడా అంటామమ్మా. ఇక్కడ గ్రాఫ్ లో మనకు కనిపిస్తుంది ఒక పాయింటే, కానీ మన సొల్యూషన్స్ సేమ్ అనే మీనింగ్. 3, 2 సొల్యూషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్ in a polynomial is equal to, okay, complete amma. So we have considered the graph x dash, y dash. In this graph, please observe ma. What is observed? If the graph is either completely above x-axis or completely below x-axis, it does not intersect the x-axis. It does not intersect the x-axis. It does not intersect the x-axis. So they have no zeros. So number of zeros equal to 0. Okay, na? There is no solution. There is no solution. Okay, why? Because the graph, the ax square plus bx plus c is a polynomial. It does not intersect the x-axis. There is no solution. Note point ma. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Just listen ma. If a value, that means comparing ax square plus bx plus c, a value greater than 0, okay, the graph is form of above parabola. This is okay na. A value greater than 0, open downwards. Next ma, open upward diagram. Open upward diagram form. In case of if a less than 0, for example, 2x square minus 3x plus 1, the graph is open upward diagram. In case of minus 2x square plus 3x minus 1, this graph is form of, so x square coefficient is negative, downward diagram. Downward, open downward diagram. Open downward diagram. ఓకేనా?